In a bright and sunny ocean, there lived a small, forgetful fish named Dory. She was not like the other fish. While other fish remembered everything, Dory could only recall a few things for a short while. One day, Dory swam along, humming her favorite tune. Suddenly, she remembered something important. "Oh dear, I have forgotten something. I must remember," she thought. But before she could think of what it was, she forgot again. Dory swam around, searching for clues. She asked her friends, "Have you seen my friend Nemo? I think I lost him." Everyone helped her look, but no one knew where he was. Dory felt sad and hopeless. But then she remembered something else. "I'm a forgetful fish, but I have a great memory for one thing: friendship." With renewed determination, Dory swam on, hoping to find her friend. As she swam, she met a turtle named Crush. "Do you know where Nemo is?" Dory asked. Crush smiled and said, "I think I know where he is. Follow me." Together, Dory and Crush swam through the ocean, meeting different creatures along the way. They helped a lost whale and found a baby octopus that had lost its family. Dory's forgetfulness helped her make new friends and learn valuable lessons. Finally, they reached a beautiful coral reef. There, they found Nemo, safe and sound. Dory was overjoyed and hugged her friend tightly. "I'm so happy to have found you, Nemo," she said. From that day on, Dory never felt sad about her forgetfulness. Instead, she embraced it and used it to make new friends and help those in need. And she never forgot the importance of friendship, a memory that would never fade. In the end, Dory learned that being forgetful was not a weakness, but a special gift. And she swam on, spreading joy and friendship wherever she went. The end.